Meal planning and prep is key for me to help me manage my time and also to help me stay focused on my diet goals. So, right now, you guys, I am doing a high protein, low carb diet. And in the mornings before I head off to my job, I pack my bag with the things that I know will keep me focused and satisfied. Things such as my fat bomb and my beef stick and my bone broth, and of course, my nut pod creamer for my coffee, which I absolutely love. And then I also have a travel container that I have unsweetened almond milk along with my protein powder. And that way I can make a protein shake at some time during the day. I give this bag a zip, you guys, and I am on my way just that quick off to a productive day.